So one of the reasons that I like using Tile Redi, I've been using Tile Redi for the past 5 years exclusively. They actually reached out to me and just asked me if I wanted to try one of their systems. And I remember seeing their systems a long time ago. They've been around a long time. I've been doing bathroom remodeling since like 2000, but exclusively since 2008. I did nothing but bathrooms after 2008. And I was very hesitant to do mud bed showers, you know, doing a rubber liner, doing all of that. It was just like something that I didn't really know how to do. They didn't really have YouTube videos on that at that point. And it was something that I was really concerned about. So I would try to find systems that were already pre-sloped, so it made it easier for me to install. Tile Redi was a company back then. What?
We gotta get him out of here.
Nobody.
You're rude for interrupting.
They don't need to know the history of everything. It doesn't really matter.
It's a great little blooper, though.
Yeah. Anyways, long story short, you don't really need to know my whole history of why, you know, back in the day I didn't use Tile Redi. But they basically innovated and made things better over the years, made it more attractive for a contractor to install. And what's great about them is that they literally do, they improve their system over and over. Even in the last 5 years, they've continued to improve their shower system. But I guess my point is that this is really one of the easiest ways to go about converting a tub to a shower, primarily because the pan is already waterproof. The entire thing is waterproof. So as you can see here, it has the drain, everything's sealed. It has these little side splashes. Everything's sealed. So all you literally have to do is connect the drain and you're ready to towel over it. Their new generation of pan actually has a flat bottom. So you can simply thin set this into place. Makes it really easy to install. And I really think that, I mean, if I were a contractor trying to win more jobs and grow, this would be the system I would specialize in, because I can train people to install this very easily and know, as long as they have the drain centered where it needs to be and I can connect it, like there's really nothing that's going to go wrong. There's not going to be any leaking. Now, as far as our tile installation, there's going to be a lot of training there, but I feel like the waterproofing part of it is going to be very simple for them to do. So, yeah, so that's why I've been using Tile Redi. That's why I'm excited with using a lot of their products, because I think it's going to makes it the most simplified. And really, it's about time too, you know. So we can gut this tub, get the shower pan in, get the shower faucet replaced, get everything set up for waterproofing, and then start tiling the next day, and even actually technically tile today if I have time. But since we're doing the videos and stuff, it's hard to say whether we'll have the ability to do that. But on a regular job where I'm not doing a video, yeah, absolutely. My plan would be to gut this shower, put in a new shower faucet, put in my pan, waterproof, set the towel on the floor. Then tomorrow I can start tiling the walls. I mean, literally within 3 days, I could be ready to have the shower and back into function. All right, so we'll break for lunch and then tile the floor and get prepared for the little mosaic. A trick that makes it really easy to make sure that your tile is even with your border.